Is an injury keeping you from doing what you love? Or has an old injury spoiled your game? Get back in the game without the pain with Bruise, Strain, and Tear Repair. Not smelly or greasy. BST Repair Gel is water-based and easily absorbed into the tissue within 90 seconds. Formulated with a blend of herbal ingredients including white willow bark, comfrey, and arnica, traditionally used by shamans for centuries to heal wounded warriors. BST Repair relieves pain but also dissolves microclots and increases blood flow to the injury area. It boosts muscle lubricity to allow healing. Most importantly though, the herbs in BST Repair increase collagen production to repair the damaged tissue. Yes, repair the damaged tissue. It even works on old injuries. No more freezing or injecting, just supported healing. Get back into the game with Bruise, Strain, and Tear Repair. To order Bruise, Strain, and Tear Repair for just $19.99 plus shipping and handling, visit buybstr.com or call 800-581-8831. Order now.